Hey to you, ladies and gentlemen, friends, traders around the world. Jeff here from Forex Training for Beginners. As you know, I've mentioned it earlier on today, the propulsion entry system is now complete. I'm now working on the exit for finer, greater percentage growth. And that's what I'm going to be looking at today. This week, I'm talking with Euro USD getting 65% growth. Maybe it was a one-off. Let's be honest, it is quite extreme. I probably recommend not every day. In fact, it's hardly ever going to be that in one day. However, let's look what happened on Friday, and we'll take it from there. To be perfectly honest, I'm not expecting anyone near that, just looking at the system. I'm fine-tuning the exits, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Here we go. So it's always based on 7 a.m. Friday. I'm in Thailand, Bangkok time. See down here. And so we do it from here. And it's really quite simple. A few basic rules. If it's red, we can take sells. If it's green, we take buys. Yeah, but it's all about the exits. Certain conditions also have to be met. We just don't take any. For example, we get a short there. Why? Because with our amazing Ninjacator that Mr. Orm built for us, thank you very much. We've got all these amazing other bands here, and they come down as long as we don't see blue, red, or even green candles breaking about these lines. We just stay in the trade. You see, also we're in there. We also don't break this line here. So we just keep coming down. We stay in the trade, ladies and gentlemen. Stay in the trade. Down. Yeah, down. And at this point here, ladies and gentlemen, you see this? These little dots change from being top to being on top on bottom. And just as you notice that, look at that there, that breaks through there. That breaks through right there. Just to show you something else. Yeah. Now, a couple of options here for you. Yeah. Because what you can see is you've actually got a double bottom actually on the this amazing indicator thing here. It's really, really nice. You've also got a dot at the bottom telling you, Jeff, you should really consider exiting this trade. If you've not got it, you exit at that point there. But let's just say we stay in as long as we can, ladies and gentlemen. We try to stay in as long as we can. So you can either exit at this point, dot, or you can exit with a piece after it. You notice it's almost the same. Yeah. So I'm actually going to take a really conservative approach. So when I see that dot, the exit trade, you see that? Really conservative. Securing 3.5%. Now get this double bottom, so we start getting excited. It then comes up, I'm not in the trade. We get this, all these here break through, ladies and gentlemen. They break through these colors. And yes, we're getting ready, but it's still in our red zone. Goes up there, breaks down, we do a pullback, these dots at the bottom, and then we get this here into the green, above this line here, some blue, so that when that starts going, enter that trade. Let's see if we enter the trade at the bottom there, ladies and gentlemen. Possibly a bit late, we could potentially have entered there, and even there, as it was pushing up this little fish hook I've mentioned in previous videos. Along there, probably the bottom there, piece are just there. Just that, ladies and gentlemen, right at the bottom there. And as long as, and you see this says here, it was red potential sell, but it stays this side of the line. So it stays this side of the line. Keeps going up. And this is the difference. Could we have exited there? And we've been happy with that? Absolutely, ladies and gentlemen. We should have been happy if we got that. In fact, let's just take that. Let's be conservative. This one. Let's exit right there. Yeah. Right there. Talking about that. Let's call it 3.5 and another 3.5. Buy here. Right there. Let me just cross there. That's good there. 3.5, 3.5. Now people have been following my system. They regularly get 3%. But I say to them, be happy with half, 1.5, any percentage. Now you notice when this red is the other side of that line. Let me see, is that blue the other side of the line also? So the red at the top there, definitely be exiting that trade right there. And if I get 1%, I'd be happy with 1% for that there. So let's see there, we do not enter that because it's above the line. And we then enter a consolidative state. You can see that? Down, up, and down. And that continues when you see this here was red, green, really in rapid succession. And this is an amazing bit of technology called the matrix inside our Ninja trading system. And it helps keep out a potentially bad trade. It's consolidation. Yeah, you see it there, and it starts breaking out, breaks through one line and then the other line. So it's going into this for a sell, ladies and gentlemen. You can see here. Yeah, you could even probably wait to start. You see these here expanding, diverging. Quite easy event in the day when you see that there. Right there. Yeah, that's 1.3, 2, nearly 3, or 3.5. You see, as long as it stays on this side of the line, and when you see it going sideways and then start going up, exit that trade. Now let's look down here. We get a dot here. It tells me, and there's another double bottom. So we either exit here, or exit any of these, ladies and gentlemen. At the very latest, it would be there. As it crosses there. See there? So that's another 4. So what have we got? Call that 4%. What? 3.5, 3.5, 1. What's that there? 7, 8. 8 and 4 is 12. Not too shabby at all, ladies and gentlemen. Not too shabby at all. And at this point here, it's in between these two bands. That's telling you it's consolidation. Telling you it's consolidation. Red, green, red, green. Let's go straight across. Just be careful. Just be careful. Okay. Can we do something with this one here? Potentially. Does it break out that low there? Potentially. It's starting to see other bigger movements. We're getting bigger movements now. So, what can we do? Could we have made some profit there? Well, yes, we could have probably made about 2%. Well, let's just test it. Could we get a couple of percent out of that one there? Just below there. Let's get that there. Just above there. Maybe not. Maybe we only got 1%. 1.5, something like that. Yeah, 1.5. Exit that point there. You see that there? Either there or there. If in doubt, just exit at that point right there. Which would be can you get more here? Let me just check. No, not there. It's consolidation. Just stuck in this range again, and it starts breaking out. So let's look at pullback into there. Is that there, ladies and gentlemen? Nice and tight edge here, right there. Yeah, what we do is up, down, and we exit round about there if that would exit at that point there. It's telling us to. You see that right there? That 3%. Yeah, it was a double top on here. And then we get a sell there. It's looking really good. Breaks out of this range here. You can see it pushing down there, pushing down there. Very nicely indeed. So we take that one, no, that one. Maybe, yeah, let's have a look. Could potentially get a tighter, you see how it's coming along, we get a pullback, but we wouldn't know that at the time. So let's see what we get here. 2. I I always do like to wait for the pullback, to be honest, ladies and gentlemen. We'll take it slowest, but if we did wait for the pullback, let's see what we would have got. So we'll take it a little bit lower. We'll enter at that point there. To be fair, yeah. Let's see what we get here. Get that there. Let's read our technology. See that green dot there? Right there. So that says to me, Jeff, exit that trade. So let me just put this out there, that one right there. I still didn't get a little bit more yet, but let's just take it from there. So that one 5.5. Look at this buy. This is using Heikin-Ashi candles. This one time, just so you know. I'm going to come there, testing it before I. The exit right there. People say, Jeff, how can you get spike into all the technology I've got? Explains to me. It's very clear. You told me to just read what's in front of me. He says, look, exit there, look, boom. None of this drawdown rubbish. So nearly 3%. Thank you very much. Let me get up to move to sell there straight away. We can potentially look at that there. Yep, there at this point it's not looking good as it was down. It starts coming back. I'd be like, oh, what do I do? What do I do, ladies and gentlemen? You see at that point there, there's a dangerous sign there. I probably have, I'm going to be perfectly honest, probably exit. Oh. There. Let me see this. To be perfectly honest, I'll probably exit the trade when I see that one right there. Oh. Get that little arrow there, not there. Exit that trade. 1.775 for a sell. And wait for myself. It's red background, and we get it right there. We're under that line. Easy, simple, effective. Right there, boom. I'm going to test it with normal candles next week. Go here, using the same pair, green, all the way above that. Yes, in fact, actually above there. To be fair, I'll probably get in, but we'll just keep it there. There, let me see my stop loss. So there it goes, and you see that layer list there? The exits there. You can see this. It's quite an effective strategy. It's probably not the best, but for many people that are new, that it's a super simple strategy. Yeah, just trust your indicators that you've got. No, they're not just any indicators. Like, you know, they are really powerful indicators. I'm very fortunate to have access to these. Tells you that. See that there? So it tells me to, oh no, because the PSARs are not following my rules. That's the difference. You have to follow the rules. Really specific propulsion entry system, and now working on that exit right there. So it's tight. Super powerful. Yep. To this one here, we'll forget that little bit of mess there. Yep, look, it was blue, it was red, into the trade there. PSARs there. And you see it there. It just goes on and on and on. So let's just count this so far. $7 in the morning. Oh, not on Friday. It's an old trade day. Let's call that 3.5. Well, 3.5 to 7 and 1. It's 8. 8 and 4 is 12. And 1 is 13. Consolidation. 3, 16, 5.5, 21 and a half. And then I got 3%, 24 and a half, 25 and a half, 26, 29 and a half, 9 and a half, 20, 30 and a half. What's that there? 31, 32, 33, 35. Simple, easy, effective. Now, that is only now. Still got the best part to go over the day. So it's 35%. 35%. So it goes red. You get that there. Next candle. 35%. Exit there. We could have got out earlier. We understand that. 36, 37%. Exit there. Why? It tells me there. 37. So it says you can buy there, ladies and gentlemen. 37. Simple, easy, effective. Background's green, but not yet. Right there. Let's get in the next one. Just be fair. Goes up, and it tells me at this point you have to close the trade. Yeah. So 36 and 37-ish. 37. Consolidation to get that on the message now. 37. Here, to buy. You can even do longer term trades. You can see there, ladies and gentlemen, I'm getting about 40%. We could have got more up there, I understand that, but it's right there. So it came down with a pullback. 4% PSRs. Right there. Stays under that line. In other ways, you can just stay in the trade as long as it's under that line. It's just different ways you can trade with this system, ladies and gentlemen. 40, 47%. You see that crossover there? Just different ways. You could have been in multiple times. 47%. And there's a bit extra there. If I really wished. 47. Simple, easy, effective. Boom. 48, call it 49. And then make another one right there. It wouldn't be much. Some PSRs are far. 49. Right there, looks at there. It's not even much more. I won't bother with that one. Ladies and gentlemen, this one here, straight across, no trade. Down. Coming down. There. 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 These are quite foul, to be honest. 1%, 50%. Straight across, sell. So as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not really doing. You would have entered that one. I'm not really doing it. Yeah, this is all in hindsight, but I'm doing the exact same strategy all the time. Same. I tell them to exit. Boom. I know that's 48, nearly call it 48%. It's consolidation, consolidation. Breaks out there, it breaks consolidation there. 48. Here we get pullback. Might sometimes I like to wait for pullback. Yeah, but I'll just do that one anyway. 48. Straight across there to there. 49. 49. It's 50 actually, to be honest. We're getting a little bit extra there, so round that off to 50. Certainly a bit more of a choice of staying. Whips the red to more there, but let's call it 50. Yeah. Should I got something else above the line? A small profit I'm not. You can see there's not much there. Into from there, but pull back. Right there. And at this point here, I'll be, based on the time of the day, I'll be going to bed soon. So I'm going to make this the last trade of the day. 50, maybe 52%. Not as good as 65% the previous day. Okay, so it's a simple, easy, effective strategy. I'm very fortunate enough to be able to use the Ninja tools. Some of my additional ones. The people who trusted me, thank you very much. I'm wearing my new shirt today, Ghost Movie shirt. Training with people here as well, passing on knowledge to them, which they appreciate. Those people want to come and test out with me, I very welcome you. Want to get more involved in more serious note, just comment, like this, share with your friends, and just even hook me up. Just say, Jeff, I want to come and learn with you, and we'll take it from there. We can have a chat. What we do, ladies and gentlemen, have a great day. I'll see you at the top. Bye for now.